In the latest seasons of Blue Planet, one of the crew members aboard the research vessel is an unmanned submersible equipped with state-of-the-art AI technology. Using computer vision, it recognizes and classifies various marine species, and while its onboard natural language processing systems allow it to communicate with the rest of the crew. After collecting samples, the sub returns to the ship and docks autonomously. This fictional scenario may seem far-fetched today, but it could become a reality sooner than you think. The future of deep-sea exploration lies in the potential of AI and robotics. That's why in today's episode, we'll be discussing the role of AI in ocean exploration, the challenges involved, and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Make sure to watch till the end as we answer the question: will AI help us discover extraterrestrial life right here on Earth? We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about Earth's ocean floor. That's because the ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we've mapped the topography of Mars with more detail. But this is beginning to change, thanks to artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll dive deep into how AI is revolutionizing the way we explore the most mysterious place on Earth, the deep sea. So let's get started. The deep ocean is one of the least accessible environments on Earth. It's pitch black, freezing cold, and under immense pressure conditions that make human exploration almost impossible and robotic missions highly expensive and complex. To give you an idea of just how harsh these conditions are, consider this. At depths of around 6,000 meters or 20,000 feet below sea level, the weight of the water above creates a pressure of approximately 600 times that at the Earth's surface. This extreme pressure is equivalent to having nearly 50 jumbo jets weighing 200 tons each parked on top of every square meter. Such conditions demand specialized equipment and innovative solutions, especially when it comes to powering electronics and ensuring they function reliably in such a hostile environment. Traditionally, deep-sea mapping relied on sonar scans, remote-operated vehicles, and manual data processing that could take months or even years. But with recent advances in AI and machine learning, we're now able to process more data, navigate smarter, and uncover secrets that were hidden for centuries. Here are some key ways AI is changing deep-sea exploration. Autonomous underwater vehicles. Let's start by talking about AUVs, which are essentially underwater robots guided by artificial intelligence. They can swim through the ocean depths without direct human control. Imagine a little robot fish cruising around the ocean floor, taking photos and videos and sending them back to researchers on the surface. Well, it's not science fiction. It's already happening. You may have heard of some of these robots like Boaty McBoatface, which is a research vessel equipped with cutting-edge AI technology. Its mission was to observe and study the behavior of wildlife in Antarctica. Or perhaps you've heard of Sentry, another impressive piece of technology developed by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Sentry is a remarkable underwater vehicle designed to monitor the ocean environment and gather valuable insights for researchers. One of its standout features is its ability to identify and avoid obstacles in real time. As it navigates the underwater terrain, sensors on board Sentry continuously scan the surroundings, keeping an eye out for any obstructions such as rocks or debris. If an obstacle is detected, the AI on board takes immediate action to reroute the vehicle, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted exploration of the ocean depths. Whether it's charting unknown territories or conducting routine surveys, Sentry's advanced obstacle avoidance capabilities enable it to operate safely and efficiently in even the most challenging underwater environments. These robots can map the ocean floor using sonar and cameras, detect anomalies such as new vents or marine life habitats, and relay important information back to scientists in real time. The benefits of using a UVS are numerous. First, they allow scientists to explore areas that are too dangerous or difficult for humans to reach. Second, they can collect data much faster and more efficiently than traditional methods. Third, a UVS can operate autonomously, which means they don't need to be monitored or controlled remotely, freeing up scientists to focus on other aspects of their research. The technology is still relatively new, but early results are promising. For example, in 2019, a team from the University of Washington used an AUV to explore a deep underwater volcano off the coast of the Pacific Northwest. The robot dove to depths of more than 1,000 meters and provided scientists with unprecedented views of the volcano summit. Number 2. Data interpretation and pattern recognition, the deep sea produces vast amounts of sonar, video, and sensor data. AI tools are used to identify species in murky video footage using computer vision, spot geological features like hydrothermal vents and trenches, recognize patterns in water temperature, salinity, or chemical composition that might indicate underwater volcanic activity. AI helps compress years of manual analysis into days or even hours. For instance, at the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, scientists are developing new ways to analyze sonar data to better understand how marine life interacts with its environment. By using machine learning algorithms, they hope to quickly sift through massive amounts of data and identify patterns that might not be obvious to the human eye. One of the exciting things about using AI for ocean exploration is the potential to discover new species and learn more about the behavior of marine life. In fact, MBARI has already used machine learning to identify several new species of deep-sea fish and invertebrates. The use of AI in ocean exploration is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the deep sea with the help of AI. We may be able to explore more of the ocean in the next 10 years than we have in the last 100. 3. Marine biodiversity monitoring. Many deep-sea creatures are elusive, and their detection often depends on rare encounters. AI models trained on known species can now detect rare animals like giant squids or bioluminescent fish. Classify unknown organisms using only partial visual data. Track migration patterns from sonar and camera feeds. It's a big deal because it helps us understand how marine ecosystems work and protect vulnerable species from extinction. Take, for example, the CoralNet project, which uses deep learning algorithms to automatically label coral species and track reef health over time. By using AI to analyze underwater images, scientists can identify different types of coral and monitor changes in their abundance and diversity. This information is critical for managing coral reefs, which are under threat from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Number 4, seafloor mapping and 3D reconstruction. Previously, creating accurate maps of the ocean floor took months of sonar scans and manual interpretation. AI now enables real-time 3D mapping from raw sonar data, gap filling for incomplete terrain scans, AI-driven mosaics that stitch together high-resolution seabed images. This is essential for laying underwater cables, planning submarine missions, or even discovering ancient shipwrecks. To give you an idea of the importance of this technology, consider the recent discovery of the Titanic's wreck. It was located using sonar mapping techniques that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. AI is helping us see the ocean floor in a whole new way. Number 5. Disaster prediction and environmental monitoring. AI can detect warning signs of underwater earthquakes or tsunamis by analyzing seismic activity, monitoring tectonic shifts, modeling wave propagation patterns. It also tracks oil spills, carbon emissions, and pollution levels in deep-sea ecosystems. Vital for preserving ocean health and responding to environmental threats. Imagine being able to predict when an underwater earthquake will occur, so that coastal communities can be prepared in advance. This may sound like a far-fetched idea, but with advancements in AI and machine learning, it's becoming increasingly possible. Scientists are using AI to analyze seismic activity on the ocean floor and identify patterns that indicate an impending earthquake. By detecting these patterns, they can send alerts to coastal communities, giving them time to prepare for a potential tsunami. It's clear that AI has the potential to transform our understanding of the deep sea. It can help us explore more of the ocean in the next 10 years than we have in the last 100. By harnessing the power of AI, we can unlock the mysteries of the deep sea and protect our planet's most valuable ecosystems. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are some challenges that need to be addressed before AI can truly revolutionize ocean exploration. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of training data. There's far less labeled ocean data than terrestrial or aerial datasets. Underwater conditions vary wildly in light, pressure, and salinity, making standardization difficult. Bias in data. Most deep-sea expeditions happen in specific regions, leaving others underexplored. Plus, many deep-sea AI tools still require human validation to ensure scientific accuracy. As we continue to explore the deep sea with AI, it's important to keep these challenges in mind. We need to work on developing new methods for data collection and analysis that take these challenges into account. But despite the challenges, the potential benefits of using AI for ocean exploration are too great to ignore. So who knows? Maybe one day we'll discover new species of deep-sea creatures, or even find evidence of extraterrestrial life right here on Earth. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Till next time, happy exploring.